Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from CozCreations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys, here in rainy, stormy Florida. I'm going to talk quickly because there is a storm overhead and I have a metal roof on my art studio and it can get very, very noisy in here. And there's some lightning and thunder, so if you see me jump, you will know why. Working on a reused canvas here. What size is this? 14 by 18, I think. And I have painted my sides. I'm doing a pearl pour, something I haven't done in a really long time. And I posted a picture of a pearl pour I did a while back. Y'all seemed to like it, so I said, you know, let's give these guys another pearl pour. Now, I don't remember what the heck I did. My go-to pearl pour people are Darlene Tara from Pieces of Tara and lovely Sarah Taylor from Sarah Taylor Modern Art. But I was in here and I didn't feel like Googling the recipe or anything. I can remember a couple of things, so let's hope I got it right. I have a whole bunch of this. Interior satin enamel Behr. This is their 7300. This is white. It is not untinted. And that is my base coat color. And it is thin. That's another thing I remember. Thin as water. Matter of fact, I might need to add just a little bit more water to this. This is the Behr Satin Enamel House Paint. Healthy squirt of Golden Gack 800 and my pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and a heck of a lot of water. If you think you've added enough water, add a little more. There's so much water in this paint, and I'm going to add a little bit more. So, our pour colors right here, Golden Iridescent Pearl. In the medium body acrylics, these are all mixed the same as my base coat color. This is yummy. This is DecoArt Metallics. That's their sterling silver, and it was a little bit too pale for me. So I added a couple of squirts of the golden fluids in the iridescent silver to make it just a lovely, lovely silver. Let's go ahead and look at that consistency. It leaves almost no trace whatsoever. Good amount of water. One of my favorite paints here. I need to use it more often. That right there is DecoArt Metallics. That is their Obsidian. I recently purchased a beautiful pearl pour with texture painting from Sarah, from Pieces of Tara. Tara from Pieces of Tara Artistry, and I believe she used that Obsidian, and then a wonderful birthday / wedding gift from my darling friend Taneva. Too many T's. My darling friend Taneva. And I'll post a picture of both of those pieces. This right here is Creative Inspirations, and that is their Lamp Black. Now, this is a thick paint. This got a good amount of water. Now, when I'm doing a pearl pour painting, I always do a consistency check. And as you can see here, my pearl was spot on. My silver needed a little bit more water, and that Creative Inspirations Black needed a lot more water. So I'm going to do this. I am going to only put my base coat down on a certain amount of this canvas, and then I'm going to do my puddles or whatever I decide to do, tilt, see how we're doing with the pearls, and then I'll decide what to do at the bottom. I love pearls, but they can take over. They can creep into your bedroom at night if you're not careful. So I like a good amount of negative space with my pearls. So that's the plan, man. Let's see what happens. Let's hope the stars are aligned, guys. Storms are coming. I'm going to put some tunes on for you. Put some tunes on for me, too. We're going to get busy.
Got to learn